Okay.
Is 3. Past. I am 4. Zoe is 1.
Okay, read it all again. Read it right.
Aston is 3. Mine,
No, what does that say?
Stella.
Stella.
I am
No, what does it say? Read it. Stella.
S. I am
No, it doesn't say I'm 4. It says Stella is 4.
Zoe is 1.
Okay, now read it all again.
Paston is 3. Stella is 4. Zoe is 1.
Very good.